Good morning everyone. Today we will start with our syllabus of English literature, and lesson with which we are going to start is lesson number 3, Raju's Hero. Okay, so before moving forward we will do the jet set activity given in your book on page number 125. Okay, so as you can see in this activity, on your left and right side pictures of some sports person are given, and in between name of the sports are given. Okay, so आपको क्या करना है, you have to match the sports with the sports person with which the sport is related. Okay, now first sport is long jump. Okay, and which sport person is related with this sport is this. Okay, what is the name of this sport person? He is Sri Shankar. Okay, in case you don't know his name and you don't know about him, you can Google about him. He is the record holder in long jump. Okay, write his name here, Sri Shankar. Okay, next is chess. Who plays chess in our country? He is Vishwanathan Anand. Okay, so you are going to match chess with this person. Cricket is played by Virat Kohli. Okay, shooting. Who is associated with दिस स्पोर्ट? अभिनव बिंद्रा. ओके, लॉन्ग जंप को आपको मैच भी करना है. हाँ, यस. नेक्स्ट इज बैडमिंटन. हु प्लेज बैडमिंटन? सानिया नेहवाल. यू ऑल वेरी वेल नो. ओके, एंड रेसलिंग, टेनिस, बॉक्सिंग यू विल बी डूइंग योर सेल्फ. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर एंड यू मस्ट नो अबाउट दीज फेमस स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन and the sports with which these sports person are related. Okay, so dear children, let us talk about this chapter. Beta, this story is about a boy named Raju, okay, who missed a chance to watch an important sport event. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद होता है cricket, and this was the first time his father was supposed to take him and his brother to watch a live match. Okay, a live cricket match, but somehow he missed this match, and how his day becomes a worthful day at the end, we are going to read in this chapter. Okay, so before reading the chapter, I want all of you to read these difficult words and their meanings. Okay, first word is fidgeting. You must pronounce it carefully. Second is stadium. Third is genius. Fourth, telecast. Fifth, stiff. Sixth, rotten. Seventh, pleased. Eighth, chanting. Ninth, healing. 10th, gasped. Okay, and 11th is tongue-tied. 12th, chatted. 13th, hung. 14th, injured. 15th, admire. Okay, now let us read the word meanings also. What does this fidgeting word means? ये fidgeting का क्या मतलब होता है? Moving restlessly. Okay, without taking a rest when we move, that is called fidgeting. Genius is the person who it is used to describe a person who is exceptionally intelligent person, and the one who has some exceptional skill in one particular area, like the sports person Sachin Tendulkar, like the sports person that we have now only read, है ना, उनकी एक्सपर्टीज है अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स में, सो दे कैन बी कॉल्ड एज जीनियस. ओके, सिर्फ पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड जो पर्सन इंटेलिजेंट होता है, सिर्फ उसी के लिए हम जीनियस वर्ड यूज नहीं करते. ओके, द पर्सन हु इज डूइंग एक्सेप्शनली वेल और हु हैज एक्सेप्शनली हु इज like the one who has a different skill and who has exceptional mastery in any of the art or in any of the field. Okay, next is stadium. You all know what is a stadium. It is a sports ground. ये एक sports ground होता है, but एक स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड कोई भी ग्राउंड हो सकता है, लेकिन स्टेडियम, वाई स्टेडियम इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड, क्योंकि इसमें स्पेक्टेटर्स के लिए, स्पेक्टेटर्स कौन होते हैं? जो स्पोर्ट को देखने के लिए आते हैं. ठीक है, तो उन स्पेक्टेटर्स के लिए बहुत सारी सीट्स अरेंज होती है इन अ टायर. ओके, टायर मीन्स जैसे कि सबसे नीचे, उसके ऊपर. ओके, सो इन दैट मैनर वेयर सीट्स आर अरेंज and it is a sports ground, that is called a stadium. Fourth is stiff, not easily bend or change in shape. Stiff is something which cannot be bent easily. Okay, rigid. Admire, to praise or regard with respect. Please, happy, delighted. Gasped, catch one's breath. Gasp means like when you see something very surprising or something very shocking, तो क्या होता है, एकदम से आपकी ना सांस रुक जाती है. That is called gasped. Okay, catch one's breath. Okay, next is injured, harmed or damaged. Next is telecast. Telecast is the television broadcast. Okay, telecast is television broadcast. And another one, last one is tongue tied, means unable to see, is unable to speak clearly. Okay, when you see something very shocking or when you hear something very shocking, okay, then what happens, आप कुछ बोल नहीं पाते उस मौके पर. Okay, so that is called tongue tied. So now we are going to start with our chapter. Okay, so this is, I told you earlier also, this chapter is about a boy named Raju. Okay, due to some reason he has missed the chance to watch an important cricket match, which is cricket is the sport which is his favorite. Okay, so how he is dealing with all these things and what happens at the end of the story, or at the end of the lesson, we are going to read here. Okay, one Saturday afternoon, Raju was sitting in an armchair feeling really upset. What you can see here in this picture, you can see face of the boy. He is looking very disappointed, very upset, very sad. Yes, and he is sitting on the armchair. He's sitting on the armchair, and you can see there is a plaster on his leg, and he is comforting this plastered leg with this help of this cushioned table. Yes. And who is she? She is her mother carrying something to eat and something to drink for this boy Raju. Yes, so here Raju was sitting in an armchair. Armchair means the chair that has arms. Okay, that the chair that has arms is called an armchair. So he was sitting in an armchair feeling really upset. Why he is really upset? One of his legs wasn't plastered and he was resting it on the cushioned stool. Yes, you can see here that there is a plaster on his one leg and he is trying to resting it on a cushioned stool. Cushioned stool means the stool which has a cushion. ठीक है, जिसके ऊपर थोड़ा गद्देदार मटेरियल होता है, that is called cushioned stool. Okay, so now what he is saying, why he is upset and what he is saying in this scenario, I hate sitting like this. I am fed up. He is saying to his mother. वो कह रहा है कि मुझे इस तरीके से बैठना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. I am just fed up of all this. I am very disappointed. I am very upset. But what her mother is trying to say, trying to comfort him, how she is trying to comfort him. It is all right, beta. You will be fine in few days. Okay. What she is saying, that this plaster will soon be removed and you will again be a fine boy. You will be easily going out with your friends and play again like you do earlier. This only she is saying in coming sentences. You can join your friends in their game of cricket then if you sit without fidgeting. The bones will heal faster. What his mother is telling to his boy, she is saying that if you sit without fidgeting, means moving restlessly here and there. If you sit without moving restlessly here and there, your bones will heal soon. आपकी जो bones हैं वो जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगी, and then you will be able to go out with your friends and along with playing the game, you can watch the game. Like उनके साथ आप खेल सकते हो, उनके साथ बाहर घूमने के लिए जा सकते हो, ठीक है. But for that you need to sit on a one place, okay, for the time being, till the time your bones heals, okay. And for a time being, what she is saying, that why don't you watch the cricket match on TV while I'll go to kitchen to cook. तो उस टाइम तक आप क्यों नहीं क्रिकेट मैच देखते हैं टीवी पर. As you can see, TV is here in front of this boy. So his mother is saying that why don't you watch the cricket match on TV while I go to the kitchen to cook. Okay. Raju said no. He was still upset. Okay, he doesn't want to see TV. He doesn't want to do anything. Why? Because he is upset. Okay, so what happened to him? Why there is a plaster on his leg? Here we are going to read. Falling off his bike and breaking his leg was not something he was proud of. What happened to his leg? He fallen from his bike. Okay, and then he broke his leg. Okay, so he is not really proud of this, and Moreover, this had to happen just when his father, his elder brother Renju, and he had planned to go and watch a test match between India and Australia. Why he is more upset? Why he is really gloomy this time? Because this was the first time his father has planned his father has planned to go for a cricket match, to go to watch a test cricket match between India and Australia, and in this condition he cannot go to see that match. It was supposed to be the first live cricket match. Yes, वो क्या बता रहा है, what he all these thoughts are coming into his mind that ये मेरा लाइफ का सबसे पहला लाइव क्रिकेट मैच होने वाला था स्टेडियम में, और जहां पर मैं किसको खेलते हुए देखना चाहता था, आई वॉन्टेड टू सी सचिन तेंदुलकर प्लेइंग फॉर इंडिया. इट वुड हैव बीन अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू. सब बच्चों का, काफी बच्चों का ड्रीम होता है. ओके, ही यूज्ड टू कंसीडर सचिन तेंदुलकर एज हिज हीरो. ठीक है, इस बॉय के लिए जो राजू है, इसके लिए जो सचिन तेंदुलकर है वो उसका हीरो है, एंड ही वांटेड टू सी हिम लाइव प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया. So it was his dream. So the sports page in one of the national dailies called him the cricket wizard. Why he was his the role model? क्यों सचिन तेंदुलकर उसका रोल मॉडल था? बिकॉज ही हैव हर्ड सो मेनी गुड थिंग्स अबाउट दैट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. उसके बारे में क्या कहा जाता था? नेशनल डेलीज इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ मैगजीन. ठीक है, नेशनल डेली इज अ काइंड ऑफ मैगजीन जिसमें उसको क्रिकेट विजर्ड के नाम से जाना गया था. क्रिकेट विजर्ड मीन्स क्रिकेट का बादशाह. ठीक है, उसको क्रिकेट का बादशाह कहा जाता था. ओके, अनदर पेपर कॉल्ड हिम, दूसरा पेपर उसको क्या बुलाता है? जीनियस. दूसरा पेपर उसको क्या बोलता है? जीनियस. सो राजू क्या सोच रहा है कि इसमें सचिन तेंदुलकर में कुछ ना कुछ तो बात जरूर है, दैट एवरीवन यूज्ड टू कॉल हिम अ जीनियस और अ क्रिकेट विजर्ड. यस, सो हिज ड्रीम वाज टू watch that kind of a sports person playing live in front of his eyes, but that could not happen. Why? Because he is having a plaster on his leg. The match was scheduled for today and he was going to miss it because of his broken leg. Okay, और वो मैच कब था? वो आज था, and he cannot go because of his broken leg. All these thoughts are coming again and again in his mind, and what he is saying, I hate this. I hate all of this. Okay, sitting here and watching TV instead of going to the stadium to watch live this cricket wizard. He is hating all of these. But what his father is saying, trying to comfort him, it's all right. The match will be telecast live on TV. ओके, उसके पापा उसको समझाने के लिए क्या कह रहे हैं? उसको ये तो नहीं बोल सकते कि भाई अरे बहुत बुरा हुआ और ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए था. ओके, बीइंग अ फादर ही इज ट्राइंग टू कंफर्ट हिम. उसको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं, मैच तो टेलीकास्ट टीवी पर लाइव होगा. इनफैक्ट यू विल बी एबल टू यू विल बी एबल टू वॉच द मैच बेटर एट होम. ठीक है, तुम्हें तो घर पे देखने में ज्यादा मजा आएगा. यू आर सिटिंग अलोन ऑन योर सोफा एंड विल बी हैविंग योर फेवरेट स्नैक. तो ये तो बहुत बेटर है इन देन वॉच अ मैच इन अ क्राउडेड स्टेडियम. क्राउडेड स्टेडियम देखने से तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा है मैच. ओके, अगर आप घर पर बैठकर देखते हैं. बट राजू स्टिल इज नॉट अग्रीइंग. राजू स्टिल not able to freshen up his mood. अपने मूड को फिर भी वो ठीक नहीं कर पा रहा है. What he is saying again, but I still hate sitting like this. Okay, so rest of the chapter we will be reading in the next class. Okay.